factor by grouping c squared plus 4c plus c plus 4. Again, I'm going to rewrite this so that we can work with it. Now, if we tried to pull out a greatest common factor, which I think is something that we should always look for first, in this problem, there's not a greatest common factor. The c squared and the 4 don't have anything in common other than 1, and pulling out a 1 in that case doesn't help us. So we're going to look at grouping. We're going to group the first two terms together, and we're going to group the last two terms together. Let's look at the first group, c squared plus 4c. Both of those terms include a c. So we can pull out a c, and when we do that, the leftovers are going to be c plus 4. In the second group, we've got c plus 4, and c and 4 don't have anything in common except 1. Now, usually we don't pull out a 1, but when we're grouping, it may be useful to pull out a 1 from a group. So I'm going to pull out a 1 and let the leftovers be c plus 4. Now, what that's done for us is it allows us to have a common factor among the two groups. Both of them contain c plus 4. So I'm going to write c plus 4 out front as the greatest common factor. And then if we look at what's left over, we've got a c in the first group, and then that 1 is left over in the second group. We need that 1 there so that we have a leftover. So this becomes c plus 1 as the leftovers, and we end up with c plus 4 times c plus 1. If we didn't have that 1, we would end up with c plus 4 times just c. And if we checked by distributing, c times c would give us the c squared, and c times 4 would give us the 4c, but we wouldn't have any way of getting that c plus 4. We need this 1 here so that everything multiplies correctly and we don't leave any terms out.